What's up guys, here's Sora's bag, a world first next gen Ford Ranger. We're now here at our local airbag man specialist, Nugs Auto House. They do a wide range of different applications here, from high performance cars, 4x4s,
classics,
pretty much a one-stop shop for any accessory, parts, whatever you need.
And today we're here to get the onboard air controls installed. Let's get into it.
Let's go.
Who's mounting up the air tank to the universal bracket. Then we'll get it plumbed up on the side of the chassis and get the compressor all hooked up to it and go from there. Alright, so we've just mounted the tank, run our bolts through with our universal bracket. We'll get the compressor in next and plumb it up. So we've got the compressor mounted on the universal bracket and we've got the tank mounted on its universal bracket. They're plumbed up together. We'll start running the lines from the valve block at the back of the car through the pressure sensors and then down to the inlet of the tank. And make some progress there, and we'll get back to you soon.
We're putting the riv certs, nut certs into the body, and we're going to mount the valve block just up behind, close to that spare wheel. So I've marked a hole here for our auxiliary air port, and I'm going to drill a hole, another hole.
Here we go, the guys are well into the installation now. So they're pretty much installing our full wireless control system, which includes air compressor, air tank, valve block, wireless key fob remote. And they're also installing our height sensors, so that links through to the gauge and shows the height reference.
Installed, we've got our wireless fob and our new Airbag man gauge. This monitors obviously our pressures and our height. We've chosen to mount it down the bottom here, that way you can still get to the USB and the wireless charger. It's out of the way. Everything you need to know is right down there, easy to get to. Well guys, here we're out the end of the build. So we've got the 2022-2023 T6 Ranger. Just done the onboard air control, full airbags in the rear, all adjustable in cab. Down here at Nugs, we do all your new car logbook servicing, aftermarket fitment from lift kits, wheels, tyres, performance upgrades. Give us a call and you can have a brand new ride looking like this.